Well, folks, we finally got our first sunlight in the past few days. Definitely missed that. We're supposed to get some more snow later on through tomorrow, but this right here, now this is beautiful. This almost reminds me of the UP a little bit, which is short for the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. Except I think they get more snow than we do usually. Man, it is definitely a lovely morning. The roads are still snow covered, but they probably will be for a few days. Besides, we got more snow coming, so it might take them a little while longer to clear out. On a brighter note, I mean, the road is salted in some spots. You know, I guess some plows did come out and salt the roads, but you know, that's about. Definitely saw some snowmobiles out. Yeah, we call them snowmobiles down here. I mean, some people around here call them snow machines, but I call them snowmobiles. Had somebody comment on one of my videos one time, be like, why you call them snowmobiles? They're called snow machines. Those pine trees are covered. Man, these roads are freaking bumpy today.